Hi, everyone. My name is Drew Madelung, and I'm joined with the wonderful Joanne Klein here to talk a little bit about our upcoming workshop we have together at SharePoint Fest DC. That's coming up in April, so only a short period away. And we are going to be doing a workshop on data governance. Myself, I have been an architect working in the retention space and data governance space for a few years. And of course, many of you know Joanne Klein, who also is working in this space. Joanne, I want to talk a little bit about your role that you've been working on and what we are going to be talking about today or in April.
Yeah, I am an Office 365 consultant, and I work a lot in the data governance space, covering all of those services and features that are in there. So we're really looking forward to bringing our experience from the field to the workshop and talking about all of those services and features, and then working through some solutions with the attendees in the workshop. And I think it's going to be a really kind of valuable format that we've chosen for this workshop.
Yeah, we're going to start out talking a little bit about some of the key topics for data governance that are out there today, things like retention, data loss prevention, data classification, and even eDiscovery, and really talking about the dashboards and how you can get to that data afterwards. And we're going to start out with that, but then we're really going to bring it to a different level. That's really where we're going to need some crowdsourcing and some involvement of the audience, right, Joanne? So we're going to be actually doing a hackathon, right? We're going to be going through this information together. So what do we need? What do we need from the attendees?
Yeah, we are going to put a form URL on the bottom of this video screen. And what we want from you is some real life scenarios, some issues, some dilemmas that you're faced with in any of those tools that Drew mentioned in the data governance area of Office 365. And together, we're going to walk through a solution to help address that dilemma, discuss it. It's going to be a really interactive session. I think it will be very useful for people if you're struggling with things or you have questions with things. It's an opportunity to come bring your questions and we can work through it together.
Yeah, we really want to make sure we actually drive home and show you what real life solutions look like, right? Not just the fancy things that you could build, but really what are we seeing today? Yeah. What are the problems that you have today in your environment for data governance? And how can we actually show that to you in the whole second half of the workshop so you can leave with a outcome that you can take and bring it back to your environment, right? And absolutely, that's what we're looking to do in, our room's on Tuesday afternoon, is that correct, Joanne?
Yes, it's Tuesday, April 14th from 1:30 to 5. So looking forward to seeing everyone there, and give us all kinds of good ideas so we have some issues to work through when we're there.
Can't wait. Thanks, everyone.
Okay, bye, everyone.